So, very good morning to all of you. I request Honorable Director Sir, Professor Pavesi and Kothari Sir to kindly take a seat on the dais. So I welcome you all to this Gian workshop on silicon integrated photonic circuit for quantum computing and secure communications. So to begin with the program, I first request our Honorable Director Sir to welcome our expert foreign faculty, Professor Lorenzo Pavesi, with the shawl and the shrifle.
That's the Indian tradition. Yeah, really. What should I do? You can open it and eat it. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much.
I request Kothari Sir to kindly welcome Director Sir with the sapling. And I request Dr. Vipin Kamble to welcome our HOD Sir with the sapling. And I request Kothari Sir to kindly welcome our Gyan coordinator Ritesh Kestri Sir with the sapling. So to begin with the program, I'll just, to begin with it. So India has started with this, launched this National Quantum Mission. So basically this mission is a government's initiative to develop quantum technologies and its application in India. So this workshop basically aligns with this national quantum objectives of this National Quantum Mission. Also, this year, 2025, marks 100th anniversary of this quantum mechanics. So, United Nations has declared this year as the International Year of Quantum Technologies. So, this workshop is also aligning with the International Year of Quantum Technologies, and it also shows the relevance of our academic endeavors from a global perspective. So we have to deliver the contents in this workshop. We have Professor Lorenzo Pavesi from University of Trento, Italy. He's a full professor of physics in University of Trento, and also he has expertise in quantum communication and quantum technologies, and he is working in the field of silicon photonics for the last 30 years. He has delivered lectures and workshops and talks across the world, and in India he has done it in IIT Bombay, Delhi, Kharagpur, and various places in here. So he is very renowned in this field. So thank you, sir, for taking your time to come to India. And we have around 50 participants from all over India. We have undergraduate students, postgraduate students, PhD students, and faculties from NITs and IITs who have joined this workshop. So thank you all the participants for coming here and making this success. So with this, I request our Honorable this Head of the Department, Professor Kothari, to kindly deliver his speech.
A very warm good morning to you all. On behalf of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department as Chair, I welcome chief guest of today's inaugural function, Professor Prem Lal Patel, Director VNIT, Professor Lorenzo Pavesi, Professor from University of Trento, Italy, my dear colleagues, faculty from other departments, my department, support staff, and dear participants, a very warm welcome again. As Anamika has already told, again a new information I have also got that this year is a year declared by United Nations for quantum communication or quantum technology basically. And VNIT as an institute of national importance is always keep on striving for achieving excellence as far as the academic practices are concerned or research or industry interaction. This is very much possible under the vision and leadership of our beloved director. Today, I am also glad to announce that very soon formally the minutes would come to us, but I am glad to announce that recently we have added one more minor in quantum technology, and actually that we are introducing from this academic session only, and therefore I am glad that related to quantum, VNIT is taking lot of efforts as far as quantum technology is concerned, making students aware about it and making or enhancing their interest into it. As far as our honorable PM has said, 2047 is the targeted year so that India should transform from a developing nation to a developed nation. Already India is doing great in the field of space technology or defense, if defense production or defense innovation is concerned. But if the whole round development of the country is concerned, then it is very much needed that the academics should actively contribute to each and every technological advancement or enhancement, and quantum technology is one of them. And so is silicon photonics. So there are various missions which are initiated by Government of India. It may be mission related to semiconductors, quantum technology. Altogether, these kind of missions are very helpful in initiating the research efforts to achieve excellence in this particular field. As Gian, the name suggests Global Initiative Academic Network. So this is a very golden opportunity for all the participants as well as faculty of not only my department but across VNIT to have a chance to interact with eminent personalities like Professor Pavesi. So take full advantage of it, and we could see that some collaborative research initiatives can be an outcome of it, and this is a beginning. So I am very much thankful to Professor Pavesi that he has accepted our invitation and has come here as a resource person. I request all the participants to use this opportunity and attend all the sessions wholeheartedly. Even there are very good hands-on sessions. I think one has been conducted yesterday itself. And to tell you that as a department or as a host department, we already have numerical software, MATLAB and other advanced kind of software tools or hardware setup or lab setup for this particular thematic areas. Not only this, there are other good labs also. There is a Center of AIML, there is Center of Excellence of EMC, EMI, then there is Center of Excellence of Embedded System, then there is lab of 5G lab of use case, which is one of the 100 labs established by Government of India, hosted by VNIT. So all the coordinating faculties are very much available in the department. And as participant, you along with attending the session, also interact with these coordinators, visit these labs, and if any collaborative idea of research or initiative is there in your mind, you are most welcome as head of the department. I again welcome you and again request you to think of any of such idea. You are always welcome. So I again wish all the best to the coordinator, Dr. Anamika Singh, for her wonderful endeavor to have this course here, and request all participants to enjoy the course. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So when it comes to quantum communication, basically we all always hear about the different types of protocols and technologies. But at the back end, the silicon photonic integrated circuit plays a very important role in developing the hardware for that quantum communication. So this silicon photonics, Professor Pavesi has almost 30 years of experience, and he has also published a paper recently in which he has mentioned his 30 years perspective in silicon photonics. So to tell us more about it, I will request our foreign expert, Professor Pavesi, to please come and speak on the dais.
Good morning. So, to everyone here, and I'm really thankful for Anamika for having organizing and give me this chance to come here in nice Nagpur, which is actually my first time. I came here in Nagpur, not in India. So the first time I came in India was, I think, at the end of last century, around 2000 in Calcutta. And then I visit often India, and I really witnessed the improvement of the country in the direction that the director was indicating. I mean, so really you feel the fact that this is a country that is strongly growing, both from the technical point of view, but as well as from the human capital point of view. And indeed, India has a very long-standing tradition in education. And so this year, so we are celebrating 100 years of quantum physics. And you need to be, as Indian, you need to be proud that a few of the most influential scientists, indeed in quantum physics, come from India itself. I mean, so the Bose-Einstein condensation was named after Bose. So you know Raman, so you know many other renowned Indian scientists. And the reason why I do like to come, and the reason why I accepted to come here to attend and to give, I mean, so not attending only, but to give to these courses, because I really think that the education is extremely important. And indeed, the first time I met Anamika was, I think, more or less 20 years ago. I don't remember. 10 years ago. Okay, yeah, time is flying, yeah. It was 10 years ago in Italy at an ICTP winter school on silicon photonics. And starting from there, so we, I think she visited also once my place in Trento. Okay, so we developed this collaboration. And I'm really open to start other collaboration of this kind with students, both from point of view of mentoring. So if you really want to discuss with me about anything also during this week, but also after. So I'm really open, and I really enjoy talking with students and see how the students grow up. So she was a student at that time, and now she's a professor in this very important National Institute of Technology. And therefore, so this is a push for you to attend this winter school, to start networking with your collaborator, with the other students, and take the opportunity to meet people and then really interact with people. Don't be shy. Address all the different persons that give talks, and try to really use this week as much as you can. And said that, I will talk more later on. And so said that, I would like to thank the director of VNIT for the opportunity to visit this place. I look forward also to visit the department. So I would like also to thank the director of the Electronic Communication Engineering Department, as well as my thankful acknowledgement to Anamika for the invitation here. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Professor Pavesi. So to tell us, this whole event is basically sponsored by Gian, or Global Initiative of Academic Networks. This is a Ministry of Education initiative, so that, and it creates a very crucial platform so that we have exchange of participants from foreign universities who can come here and deliver talks so that the students of our country can benefit from it. So to tell us more about this Gian, I'd like to request our Institute Gian coordinator, Dr. Kritesh Kesri sir, to please say his few words.
Good morning. Thank you, Anamika madam. Good morning, Honorable Professor and our Director, Professor P.L. Patel sir, and Kothari sir, and our guest, Professor Lorenzo Pavesi. Okay, with statue. This GAN course, Global Initiation on Initiative of Academic Networking, is started in 2016 by Ministry of Education, and with the start of this course was with a bigger view of having an interaction with the professors all across the globe, and professors and students in India. And intention was clear that we want to work together with all, and where the opportunity should be the exchange of knowledge. And there are something in which India is doing very good, and there are so many things also where rest part of the world is also excellent, and they have done a lot with their contributions. And so this was the time when government decided that we should work together, so that we should also work in those areas where we are lagging at present. So with this, so many initiations and were taken under this course, and so far more than 2,000 courses have been approved, and around 1,900 courses have been delivered. And with this 1,654 faculty members from across the globe participated for this program and sharing their knowledge. And our first course on the GAN was also organized, GAN course in VNIT was organized with Italy. Professor Giuseppe Bugia was here. And then after second course also in the same. So many courses have been organized in VNIT, where professors from Italy have participated and given their in-depth knowledge. And it was not only just the delivery, rather we worked together also, and with that so many research outcomes and projects have been successfully executed. So this was a good thing. And this year government has also organized, started quantum computing. So we had an initiation of information technology mission, then power electronics technology mission, artificial intelligence. So this year government has started this quantum computing initiation. So I think for us it is also an opportunity that a professor who has been working for the last 30 years in this area, and he's here to deliver his experience and knowledge. And so it will be so kind and so good. Like if you also explain us like how we can go ahead with the hardware in this silicon photonics, because we Indian are very good in software simulations and all those things. But having a guidance in the area of hardware, so that we can have something at VNIT also, and that will be so kind. So with this, I welcome Professor Lorenzo Pavesi. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kesri sir. So now I request the chief guest of our function, our Honorable Director sir, Professor P.L. Patel, to kindly address the audience.
So, very good morning to all of you. Our international expert in Gian course, Professor Pavesi from Italy, our head of electronics department, Chairman BOS, Professor Kothari, Professor Gandhi, our esteemed faculty members present over here, our Gian, Institute Gian course coordinator, Professor Ritesh Kesari, our course coordinator from department, Dr. Anamika Singh, our staff, as well as all our participants who have come from all over the country. I welcome you on the behalf of VNIT in the campus of VNIT. First of all, I would like to thank Professor Pavesi to, you can say, sparing his invaluable time for this particular event and lecturing on this Gian course. In fact, as you know already that he had initially missed the flight, but even though he has made all the efforts to come to VNIT, and finally he would be delivering the lecture. So thank you very much, Professor Pavesi, for all these, you can say, efforts. As we know that earlier also, we have seen that many of the Gian course I have, after my joining, I could see many courses were delivered from the Italy professors. That I could see many places in electronics and maybe electrical. I could see the many professors who have given the Gian course. So I think we have very good connection with Italy, what I feel. You are not wrong, Professor Kesari. A very good connection with Italy. So it is good that we have a very good connection, and that is becoming basically a good mode of collaboration. So since Professor Pavesi is there, I'm sure that apart from this institute, of course, we would be interacting with faculty members from electronics and maybe from other department also, and we can have a very good collaboration kind of thing. It is not like that simply giving this lecture in the Gian course. Apart from that, the purpose of the government of India was that invite the people from the abroad, and then when they are for a week time, we must make the collaboration with them. I think that then the purpose of this course would be fulfilled. Otherwise, just simply giving the lecture and then going back would not suffice. So I'm sure that Professor Kothari and other can say faculty colleagues from the department and maybe from the institute, they have to can say be in touch with the Professor Pavesi, and we can have some long-term collaboration. So that is the one point. And of course, our participants who come from all over the country, they can have also established the relation. I said, like they told that Dr. Anamika met 10 years back, and now that is relationship is going today in form of this lecturing in the Gian course. Similar kind of relation you can make, similar kind of contact you can make, and in future you should be in touch with Professor Pavesi and have, you can say, relation in terms of the research aspect. Another point I would like to mention over here is that I said by Dr. Anamika that this is our national quantum mission is going on, and a lot of from government of India is there, that a lot of opportunities are there in fact from the government of India for funding in this area. So I'm sure that if you are getting expertise in this particular area and if you write some good projects, I'm sure that particular fund maybe you can say funded for your organization or for yourself. So it is good opportunities. I think you take this course very seriously and develop your expertise in this area. So that is another point. As far as our institute is concerned, as you've seen that we are campus of 215 acres, and we have different departments. We have 15 departments in the institute, and 9 academic programs are in UG levels going on at this moment, and then we have around 23 PG programs are there, and we have different center of excellence. That is the very plus point in the department itself. You find out of in India 100 5G labs were established. One of them is in our this electronics engineering department. So that is the one aspect, and you can visit and see the facilities that how can be useful for you. And apart from this, we have this EMI EMC center for testing. So top class testing facilities can be created over that. Now our institute is in the process of developing your NABL kind of accreditation. So the moment all these good labs are getting NABL accreditation, I'm sure the value of can say such labs will enhance significantly. So that is the another point. Apart from, if you talk about the centers, apart from these two centers in the department, we have Center of Excellence in the area of BETIC, that is called Biomedical Engineering Incubation Technology Center, and also we have this Space Incubation Technology Center. We have Agro Mission, and that we have the Center on Agro Technology, and also apart from this, we have this e-mobility that Professor Kesari is there. So he himself looking after that. So very good facilities are there, EV technology is there. So all those things, if you are there in the campus, you can interact with the people, and you can see our institute is very good in terms of sports facilities. If you see here, we have very good sports facility. If you see the swimming pool, you can say it's international level swimming pool is there in the campus already. So we have all those things, and it would be better since you are here for 5 days, you just move around in the campus and make the interaction with the people in the campus, maybe available facilities. So at this juncture, I would like to convey my warm wishes to all of you for getting such course. Keep touch with this Prof. Pavesi, and maybe the faculty members present over here, maybe Dr. Anamika, Professor Kothari, and other faculty over here, and make this your connections long and lasting, and I'm sure this connection would you can say carry forward in future for your development. So wish you all the best. Thank you very much, and thanks for inviting me to be part of this event. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you, sir, for your kind and encouraging words. So we come to the end of this this inauguration program. I would like to first thanks our Honorable Director, sir, for gracing this occasion as the chief guest and for his invaluable support, without which we cannot be able to hold this event. I would like to thanks Professor Pavesi for giving his consent to become the expert faculty and giving his valuable time, and we look forward to his insightful sessions. I'd like to thanks our head of the department, Professor Kothari. Kothari sir has been a constant support during this entire workshop. While organizing the workshops, whenever I had any doubt, any questions, he was always there to clarify and support it, even on the weekends. So thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. I will also like to thanks our Gian coordinator, Kesri sir. He would always be, he is very, very supportive person. He was always a phone call away whenever there was a trouble. So thank you, sir. Without you, it would not have been possible to have this event. And all the participants who have come from all over India, thank you for taking out time, and I hope that you have a very wonderful experience here. You develop a good collaboration with Professor Pavesi and take back good experiences from here. And thanks to all the faculties and staff members who have worked behind the scene. They were really worked hard so that this event could become a success. So thank you all. So I'd like to request all of you to now proceed for the high tea. Okay. We'll first have the national anthem, so kindly. So we can now proceed for the high tea.